Welcome back, beautiful souls. Today, I am excited to let you know that 2 out of the 3 projects of my Make It Over in Minutes series is complete. So today, I am going to be sharing with you my final project, which is going to be my biggest project, the patio. So if you have been following along, you already know that the first project that I tackled was my kitchen, and that was 2 parts. And then last week I tackled my catch-all area. And so now this week I'm going to take you out on the patio and I'm going to show you the project that I am going to be doing for this week. So give me a minute and I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a quick pan of the patio. And the first project I am going to be tackling is my front door. I'm going to paint the front door, and then I am going to make a fall wreath. And the reason I'm doing this, guys, is because I like instant gratification. So I figure if I paint the front door and add the wreath, it will give me the momentum that I need to go ahead and complete this project. Okay guys, I am back to share the paint colors that I chose for the front door. Earlier today, I went to Home Depot to pick out the paints, and I had 2 colors in mind. The first color I sourced online, and I will show you that color in a minute. And then the other color I sourced by just pulling swatches out of the little rack that they have on the wall. I'm going to share with you the colors that I picked, and it's in the late evening here, guys, so you may or may not see me start painting, but that's okay. You'll still see the end result. So the first color that I picked, now this was the color that I sourced online, and I'm hoping that you guys can see this. This color is called Vine Leaf. Guys, look at that. And it's like a deep green, and to me this is just really classic, and I like this color. I hope you guys can see that. And the next color I chose was, I got a thing, this is called Rock Wall Vine. So I guess I'm liking the vines now, guys. And this color, guys, this color is, to me, it's full of life. And I think that since the patio has brown carpet and it's just, when I go outside there's greenery all around, I think this green will give the space, the front door, a shot in the arm. Check this out, guys. What do you think about this one? And guess what, guys? I really like this one. As I said, this color is Rock Wall Vine. And the first color, the name is Vine Leaf. And they are both bare paints. And guess what, guys? I am not going to tell you what color I chose. So you're just gonna have to watch this video all the way through and see what color I chose. Now I'm getting ready, guys, to go and change clothes and get ready to wash windows, wash down the wall, and paint. Okay guys, I am done with the first coat of paint, and this is how the door is looking right now. Okay guys, I have applied the second coat of paint, and while I am waiting for it to dry, I decided to go ahead and start on my fall wreath for the front door. Now guys, I got a little bit ahead of myself. I started putting the wreath together before I started recording, and actually I am just refurbishing a wreath from last year, and so this is what I've done so far. I purchased burgundy sunflowers last year from Hobby Lobby, as well as some velvet burgundy pumpkins and some greenery. And this year I was in Aldi and I purchased these probably last week, and this was $3.99, so I may or may not use it. So I am going to go ahead and try to finish this wreath. Now guys, I am not a floral designer. I just do what I like. I just put the flowers where I think they should go, and then that's it. So let me put the camera on the tripod and I'll be right back. I moved the project into the kitchen, and now I'm just going to start adding the burgundy sunflowers. I'm not using a lot of glue, guys, because most of the time I just refresh my wreaths, and so I try to use the glue very sparingly. The only time I use it is when it's absolutely necessary. Other than that, I just stick most of the stems in and they stay there. And fortunately for me, my patio, my front door sits far back, and so it's not, my wreaths are not affected by the wind or the rain or whatever kind of weather it's not affected by it. I purchased these stems, and guys, they are a mess, but once they get on the wreath, you won't be able to tell the difference. These came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm basically going to use these as filler to kind of finish it off. And I may add a bow, and I may not. I still have the pumpkins to add as well. Hey guys, the door is dry and the wreath is finished. So let's go take a look. It's hot out here, guys, so it's gonna be really, really quick. So to recap, I painted the door with Vine Leaf by Bear, and I used 2 coats. And then I recycled a wreath.